Dora, baby?
Dora.
Okay, go. Put it on. Let me see.
No, pa.
Okay, put Dora. Hit play. Yay. Can I get a high five? Love you, baby. Boots? Boots and who else?
My best friend Dora taught me a new song that she wrote for school.
Who's that?
Dora's song?
And who's that little one? Yeah, I know it's Boots, but who's Boots' friend?
Dora.
Dora?